Hi, welcome back. In this video I am going to teach about how to add two numbers. So first I am going to insert two numbers. So int x equal 10. This is the data type, this is the variable name, this is the value. Now 10 will be assigned to x. I am going to insert second value, int y equal 20. Now 20 will be assigned to y. Now I am going to calculate these two numbers. So I am going to create another variable int dot equal x plus y. Now what happen is, here 10 assigned to x, 20 assigned to y. So what is the value of x? 10. What is the value of y? 20. This both value added and assigned to the dot variable. So the total will be 30. Now I am going to print the value system dot out dot println println. Now I am going to call the dot. Right. Now I am going to, if I print this, 30 has been printed. Right. Now I want to display your total is. We have to use the concatenated operators. So how to use the concatenated operator? Like this. Here you have a text. You have to write your total is. So we have to use the concatenated operator plus. That's it. This is a plus. This is a text. This is a variable. Your total is total. Your total is, you have to, what is the total you are get? You have printed here. Now if you are run the example, you can get the output as your total is. So we need a space here, so that here there is no space. So we have to leave the space here. Again we have to run it and check here. Your total is 30. It has been printed successfully. I hope you guys understood so far. We will be seeing my next video.